Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix add post to your story missing. Many have kind of this problem when they try to share posts on their Instagram, but they don't see an option to add post to your story. Luckily, it's just simple and I'm gonna show you how. So let's get started. So first, you're gonna go to Play Store and make sure your app is updated. So let's search Instagram here. You can see on the right part, it either say open, that means your app is fully up to date. If it says update, that means you are in need of app update. So go ahead and update your app. If updating your app doesn't work, then the next thing we can do is offload the app. So let's go to settings, then go to app, after that, go to manage apps, then we'll go to search Instagram. Go to storage, on the lower part, clear data, and then clear cache. What this does is sort of resetting it for you. You can also uninstall and reinstall your Instagram app. So, you have successfully uploaded the app. So, I hope one of these things helped you guys. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like.